I did not see it there. Today, my name is Felix. Today we go build computer. We have computer parts. This is graphics card. Yes, very nice. Red extras fast. Red equals fast. We have hammer. Very nice. And this shit here, it makes me static. Very nice. Always work in very static environments. We have silver tape. Very good for taping. And this is my processor. Yes. And these are ROM sticks and cooling. Okay, this is motherboard. Make sure to touch every part of this motherboard. And make sure it sounds sap and you feel a little sap. That means it's working. Take graphics card and insert it very nicely. Be very kind to it. Take hammer and then like... Yes, then it works. Take this, as you see, RAM stick, very nice. You open it and then you like, bam. It fits. Very nice. Okay, then you take this processor and then you like that, so it gets thin piece. And then you like, yes, it's very nice if you get paper piece with you, yes. And then you take other RAM stick, push it in here. Always make sure to work in static environments. Always jump on trampoline. Makes you very static, makes your hair stand up. Always good for making computers. Very nice.